I've got hand drill with some thumb loops. Who is it? Flint Striker on YouTube had posted how he made this, and my buddy Yohawk on DC USA, I showed him and he spun this up real quick. So groove all the way around, groove around here. This is 4 strands of artificial sinew. I reverse twisted and then whipped that on. He made me these tabs as well for the thumb, and then I just did a quick taut line hitch on each, and we'll see. I haven't really played with this. Cedar, and it's pretty big because I figure with this guy I should be able to get away with more. And then cedar board. So cedar on cedar. We'll see how we go. We've got cedar bark and some jute for our tinder bundle. So I'm just gonna put these thumb loops on. And I can pull down with my thumbs and put the pressure into the fireboard. We're just trying to get a burn in. Feel some friction now. All right. So we got some smoke, we got some action going. We'll see what we can do. This is a pretty thick board here, and that's just because I think I can get away with it. So I think I'm going to be able to fill that up and then ignite with the help of that. I wouldn't try this at my beginner skill level without that assist from the thumb loops. And it's raining right now pretty well outside, so we'll see what we can get away with. But clean notch so the dust can fall straight down. Looks pretty good. We'll try to get to where you can see the dust form. This hand drill host, I just did a 3/8 inch oak dowel and glued it into the base of some bamboo. So now that we took a while, we're gonna warm this set back up. Looks like we're getting good brown dust. We should have a pretty good amount to start getting some more speed. I can't tell. It's hard for me to see at this angle. But I think we're in business. So we're gonna let that sit. And coalesce. We want to save all our dust. So not the best. Should have kept that a little wider. I didn't want to go to this side. I could have shaved it down, but we were right in the right on the cusp of kind of popping that out. So we got lucky. And I say we because we're all learning together, hopefully. A little bit of oxygen. Since we use such a tall hearth, and really that's a lot bigger of a hand drill than I normally would use, I was hoping I could get away with it using this beautiful assist that Yohawk made. But our coal looks pretty good now. We can get it off this leather. And just let it baby a little bit more. Let's see. Looks pretty good. Can't complain. Thank you, Yohawk. I'm really pleased with that. I think that's gonna help a lot of people that are a little leery to fry hand drill, and I was one of them. I was like, I don't want to do that. And then I got it in my mind and fought and figured it out with a bunch of help from the guys on Bushcraft USA, and really it is rewarding when you can get it. But that's just the first part. We got to get a flame out of this. So if you notice, we sat there for a good long bit to let that ember grow. And it's so humid, we're gonna keep it to make sure we catch. Open up my bundle a little bit more so it gets more oxygen. I think we could get a fire going out of that. All right, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'm happy at work. Thanks again, Yohawk.